LinkFinder AI helps you identify key decision makers from any company efficiently. This demo showcases how to leverage its data enrichment features to find valuable contacts quickly. Click the first link in this video to be redirected to LinkFinder AI. Switch to the LinkFinder AI website to begin exploring its features. Click on Start Free Trial to create a free account and access the platform. Click Continue with Google to create your account quickly and securely. Select the type of input data you want to use, such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Choose the input data type to define the source for your search. Select Company Employees List as the output data type to retrieve employee information. Specify the output data type to receive detailed employee lists. Choose the seniority levels such as founder, owner, C-suite, director, or partner to filter decision makers. Set the seniority filter to target specific decision makers within the company. Click the field to enter the company domain you want to search for. Enter the company domain, for example, tesla.com, to find relevant contacts. Click here to start enriching data based on the entered company domain. Click Found 23 Employees to see the list of decision makers from tesla.com. Click Title to review the job titles of the employees found. Click Title again to explore detailed job title information. Click Seniority to examine the seniority levels of the employees. Click Department to see the departments where employees work. Click LinkedIn to access the LinkedIn profiles of the employees. Click All Levels to modify the seniority levels filter for your search. Fill the seniority levels to refine the decision makers you want to find. Click Enrich Data to process the company domain and retrieve employee information. Click Title, Owner Advisor to examine specific job titles in the list. Click Title, Owner Advisor again to view detailed information. Click API Access to explore programmatic options for data retrieval. Click View API Docs to access detailed API usage instructions. Click B2B Data Lookup to find relevant API endpoints for business data. Click Company Enrichment to explore APIs for enriching company data. Click Company Domain to Employees to use the API that maps domains to employees. Click the curl command example showing how to post a request to the LinkFinder AI API to retrieve company employees by domain.